Welcome to Annual Plant Reviews Online. My name is Jerry Roberts and I'm Editor-in-Chief of this really exciting venture, which is an online version of the very popular review article series called Annual Plant Reviews. Annual Plant Reviews has been going for the last 20 years. It started in 1998 and it came out of an idea I had whilst I was out running. In fact, I probably have most of my best ideas whilst out running. And I was thinking about plants and thinking about how I could share the information and all the exciting opportunities about plant research with colleagues around the world. And it seemed to me that one way to do this would be by publishing a series of themed volumes on topical issues. These would be for researchers, but they would also be of interest perhaps to undergraduates in their final years of study. Would certainly be of interest to people who were working at the bench, people in industry, and it would be a way of sharing all sorts of exciting areas that I knew were going to come out affecting plant biology and its other associated disciplines.
Annual Plant Reviews was first published in 1998. The first volume was on Arabidopsis, and in those days it was actually published by Sheffield Academic Press. We had a number of volumes. The aim was that we would produce one a year, but it became so popular we started to produce more than that. It moved from Sheffield Academic Press to Blackwell, and we started publishing 2 or 3 volumes a year on topics like plant cell wall, plant pathogen interactions. You can probably see your favourites lined up there. Plasmodesmata, epigenetics, flowering, endogenous rhythms, senescence, seed germination, proteomics, mitochondria, and there'll be a revisit of mitochondria to celebrate the 50th volume, and that's going to be edited again by David Logan. And if we have a look at the next volumes, and you can see they went from being published just by Blackwell to being published by Wiley-Blackwell. We've got a whole range. They now have a sort of corporate style, as you can see. So a rather smart black spine, and we looked at systems biology, Viscometrella, some more on biochemistry of secondary metabolism. My favourite, plant hormone ethylene, that was actually edited by Michael McManus, and the most recent one on gibberellins, edited by Peter Hedden and Steve Thomas from Rothamsted. And we're awaiting volume 50, as I say, which will be edited by David Logan. That's due to come out any day.
So you've just had a whistle-stop tour through all the books in the Annual Plant Reviews series, from volume 1 all the way through to the latest volume 50, which is just about to be published. So what next for this important series in plant biology? Well, from May, Annual Plant Reviews Online is to be launched, and as the name suggests, you'll be able to access all the chapters that previously you would have got from Annual Plant Review book series, but now they'll be available on the internet. This will mean publication will be much quicker, and all the articles will be available using your latest online device. In addition to that, we're broadening the topics that might be covered in Annual Plant Reviews Online. Not only will there be the latest volumes dealing with aspects of plant biology and crop science, but we'll also be broadening the topics so that we can look at how plants and crops affect human health and nutrition. We think this is going to be a really exciting aspect of the way in which the discipline progresses in years to come. We hope very much that you'll join us on the Annual Plant Reviews Online journey. We hope that not only will you read the articles and enjoy them and get very much from them, but also, having read them, you may wish to contribute. And if you do wish to be an author, then please let me know. I hope you enjoy what you're reading, and I hope that you'll contribute in future years.